Hi, this is John with WTI, and as I'm constantly craving during the day as I work from home, I'm constantly grabbing little chocolates or little treats to keep me focused while I'm working. And this is one of my favorite ones that I've tried in the past month. This is the Old Hambridge chocolate bar. But at the same time, one of the things that I like the most about this is how it's full of peanuts, but at the same time, it's the crunchy feeling that you will get from this. So it's a thick layer of chocolate, but in the center of this is a great peanut butter. It feels great. It has a lot of flavor. And at the same time, it tastes great. So this is everything that you would like from a chocolate bar. And at the same time, that would complement it with the crunchy of the peanut and the whole thing. So if you're looking for a great option for your chocolate, any treat for you to start the day or for you to just go around it and keep yourself locked in while you're working or doing anything else, this is great. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.